and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, it's the beginning of September and Shelly Robson from the Quilted Forest drew the number for September. Which project are we going to work on? It's number 5. And number 5 is my wish pattern. So I'm super excited about this. This is going to be pretty fun. It takes a jelly roll. Let's just see what I'm doing here. Or am I losing it? Okay. Oh, fabric for stars are 4 fat quarters, 10 fat quarters, or a 30 pre-cut 2.5-inch strips, or 30 2.5-inch strips. This is going to be my background, and these are going to be my strips. Oh, I think it's going to be so fun. And then I have this yellow grunge for the stars. I'm thinking, yellow's not my favorite, so I tried to pick one that wasn't too, so anyway, that is my September pattern. And my August pattern was Let's Go Puddling. Let me just show you the picture. It is this one from the Annie's quilt book, or I just downloaded it on Annie's. Super cute, super fun, but it was tiny. I was surprised when I read it. It was 36 by 44. Well, I beefed it up a little. A full video is coming out on this. But I got the quilt top done last night. And let's see if I have it the right way. Here is a little sneak peek of my rain boots. And they are so cute. And they do go together fairly fast. There's probably, I think, about 17 pieces in each boot. So there's a lot of little pieces and little 1-inch squares that I wasn't used to using. So there we go. A little sneak peek. I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this really quick little video telling you about August project and progress and the wish project for September. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I am so grateful and thrilled that you take a little time out of your day to hang with me. It just makes my day. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Give me a shout out. I would love to hear from you. Drop me a comment. If you've done any of these patterns, have you done the wish pattern that I'm doing in September? Have you done the puddling pattern that I did in August? I'd love to hear from you. Please just reach out and drop me a line. Please stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative. This is Diahn at Four Clovers Quilting. See you soon. Bye-bye.